We'll guide you through how to install texture packs or resource packs in Minecraft PE or Minecraft Mobile. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So we're going to open up a web browser. I'll use Safari, but it could be Chrome, it doesn't matter. A great site I like to use is called MCPEDL. Press the lines in the top left. In this case, we're coming under texture packs. I'll choose 32 by 32. I'll go and get this one here. I'll go and tap on it. Now you can scroll through here and start reading the info about the pack. So here we can go and get it. I'll get it on. So just go and follow through the instructions. Pack is going to have a different way of downloading it. And I can then press download like that. Open up your Files app on your device. Here on an iPhone, it's just called Files. Come to Downloads, and then here it is. Then what you need to do is go and tap on long hold on it, tap on share, select Minecraft. You may need to scroll along there. Minecraft's going to go and open. It says import started. We can go and create a new world or edit an existing one. And on the left, you need to go and scroll down and find resource packs and select available. And you want to select owned, and you should then see it there. You can press activate to the right, and we're now going to be using it. Here we are. You can see this now goes and looks different.